Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza Vincenzo, the only way. First, let's prepare the unique dough. You'll need 500 grams of double zero flour, 300 milliliters of warm water, and 10 grams of fine sea salt. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, then knead for about 10 minutes until smooth. Cover the dough and let it rest for a full 18 hours at room temperature. This long fermentation is crucial for the signature flavor and texture. Next, we focus on the simple yet flavorful toppings. For the sauce, use 400 grams of crushed San Marzano tomatoes, seasoned with just a pinch of salt and a few fresh basil leaves. Spread this lightly over your prepared dough. Then, evenly distribute 125 grams of fresh mozzarella, torn into small, irregular pieces. A generous drizzle of 15 milliliters of high-quality extra virgin olive oil completes this layer, enhancing all the flavors. Now, let's assemble and bake our masterpiece. Gently stretch your fermented dough to a 12-inch diameter, being careful not to tear it. Ensure your oven is preheated to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone inside for at least 1 hour. Carefully slide your topped pizza onto the scorching hot stone. Bake for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly charred. Finally, for the authentic Vincenzo finish. Once your pizza emerges from the oven, let it rest for just 2 minutes. This allows the cheese to set slightly and prevents toppings from sliding off. Garnish generously with fresh basil leaves, which will wilt beautifully from the residual heat and release their aroma. Slice your pizza into 8 equal pieces using a sharp cutter and serve immediately to savor every perfect bite. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.